Losing muscle fast? Eat this before it's too late. Hey, everyone. If you've been feeling weaker lately, if lifting groceries feels harder than before, or if your arms and legs don't look as toned as they used to, listen carefully. Because what I'm about to share could literally save your muscles. Most people think muscle loss only happens when you stop working out. But that's not true. It's something that starts quietly, especially after the age of 40. And the scary part? You could be losing up to 5% of your muscle mass every decade without even realizing it. But what's the good news? There is one natural food that can help stop muscle loss instantly and keep you strong for years to come. Understanding muscle loss. Let's talk about what's really going on inside your body. When we're young, our bodies produce plenty of growth hormones and protein-building enzymes. But as we age, those levels drop. That means your body starts breaking down muscle faster than it can rebuild it. This process is called sarcopenia, and it's one of the main reasons why people lose strength, balance, and mobility as they get older. You might notice you feel more tired during the day. Climbing stairs gets harder. Your clothes start fitting differently. Not because of fat, but because you're losing muscle tone. Now, exercise can slow it down. But nutrition is the real key. And that's where this natural food comes in. The food that stops muscle loss. So, what is this powerful food? It's something simple, natural, and available almost everywhere: eggs. Yes, real whole eggs are one of the most powerful muscle-preserving foods you can eat. Here's why: high-quality protein. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids, exactly what your muscles need to repair and grow. Leucine-rich. Leucine is a special amino acid that literally triggers muscle-building signals in your body. Think of it as the on switch for muscle growth. Vitamin D and B12. These nutrients help your body absorb protein efficiently and keep your muscles energized. Healthy fats. The fats in the yolk help balance hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, which are both crucial for maintaining muscle mass. Now, you might be thinking, I already eat eggs sometimes. But the trick is consistency. Eating 2 to 3 eggs daily, boiled, poached, or scrambled with minimal oil, can make a big difference in just a few weeks. Bonus: muscle-saving food. Now, eggs are the hero. But there are a few supporting foods that can make your results even better. Greek yogurt. It's packed with casein and whey protein. Both digest at different speeds, keeping your muscles fueled all day. Salmon or tuna. These are full of omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and help your muscles recover faster after any physical activity. Spinach. Rich in magnesium and nitrates, spinach helps improve muscle strength naturally. Almonds. Just a handful a day gives you protein, vitamin E, and healthy fats that prevent muscle breakdown. Quinoa. A great plant-based protein source that also provides carbs for sustained energy. Remember, it's not about eating fancy supplements. It's about feeding your muscles what they need every single day. Why you need to act now. Here, as the truth, muscle loss doesn't just affect your looks, it affects your life. When you lose muscle, your metabolism slows down. You gain fat faster. Your joints hurt more. You even become more prone to injuries and falls. That's why starting early is the best thing you can do. Even if you're in your 40s, 50s, or 60s, your body can still rebuild muscle naturally if you give it the right fuel. And here is something powerful. Studies show that combining a protein-rich diet, like eggs, fish, or yogurt, with light-resistance exercise can actually reverse age-related muscle loss. So if you've been feeling weaker lately, it's not too late. Start today. Your muscles are waiting for you to feed them right. Simple daily plan. Here's a simple one-day example you can start with. Morning: 2 boiled eggs, plus a slice of whole grain toast, plus coffee or green tea. Lunch: grilled chicken or tuna with spinach salad. Snack, a handful of almonds or Greek yogurt. Dinner, quinoa bowl with vegetables and a boiled egg. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Your body repairs muscle tissue while you sleep. Don't skip it. So, if you're losing muscle fast, remember this simple rule. Eat eggs. Stay strong. Live long. Don't wait until it's too late to start taking care of your body. Your muscles are your foundation. Once you lose them, everything else becomes harder. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today.